Woulda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Hey, woulda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Woulda dey na the bar.
What's up, TeamFullest? It's the girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I did a feminine makeup look with a red lipstick, and I got questioned like, what about the everyday feminine makeup? What about that? And I thought, okay, you know what? I got you girls. I'm coming. So I'm here to show you guys today how to do an everyday feminine makeup look to make you guys look put together. Even though I don't wear makeup every single day, but I try as much to put myself together even though when I don't have makeup on. But for some of you guys who want like a simple, everyday, flawless, feminine makeup, I'm here. So let's do this. I've already primed my face. I've already done a review on the Elf Cosmetics skincare kit. If you guys have not seen that, that is what I'm using. I've used on my face, so that's why my face is looking so flawless. So now that we've primed, we moisturize, we SPF, sun protective cream, all of that goodies. Now I'm going to use my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in pure gold. For me, an everyday makeup look is, for me, very flawless. It's more about the skin, not really more on the face. It's more the skin. I want the skin to look flawless. I want the skin to look very, very beautiful. I want the skin to glow, inner glow, outside glow, all the glow you're talking about. So an everyday makeup, an everyday feminine makeup for me is a simple everyday eyeshadow, everyday makeup, no eyeshadow look. My everyday makeup, I don't really use eyeshadows. It's just I want my skin to look flawless. I want my skin to look very, very beautiful, and that is for me like taking good care of my skin, doing moisturizer. I have a really good skincare routine, and so that you can keep that moist, that beautifulness into your skin. So now that we've done that, I'm going to take my Oprah. It's been a while since I actually used this. I don't want to mess up my bedroom. If I spill foundation here, I'm gonna cry because I really do not want to mess up my bedroom. So I'm gonna take up this Elf I say Elf's Black Opera foundation. I'm just gonna take it's been a while since I used it, so I think the pump thing is kind of dry. It's not coming out. It's been a while since I used this. Oh, I don't want to mess up this. Get me some tissue paper and just kind of like spray it on top of the, yeah. Oh yeah, now it's okay. Don't want to cause mess here. Put it in here because this one is going away. So I'm just gonna take one pump and I'm just gonna first blend it into the skin. I know this foundation looks a little bit red. It's just gonna, you don't want to go with too much product for like an everyday flawless feminine makeup. Is supposed to be very lightweight. You don't want to go with a bunch of makeup. You don't want your face to look cakey, because sometimes when you have like a lot of product on your face look cakey. I don't know, but for me, so a little bit is okay. There's a lot of full coverage foundation out there at the market who are also full coverage but like not really heavy on the skin, so maybe you can give that one try. But I love this one. Make sure you blend underneath your neck because you don't want to look like you have two face, even though my neck is darker, and yeah. So every time I wear clothes, if I'm wearing something from here, you guys will see my neck is a bit darker, but my neck is like that, so I'm not really bothered anymore about that. I'm just gonna take the foundation, I'm gonna blend it on top of my eyelid, because we are not going to be wearing any eyeshadow. So, and also make sure you blend that hairline so everything just look very, very flawless. I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation around my mouth area because those are the places that those dark spots of having all of those breakout on my face just don't go away. I'm just gonna do a bouncing motion, not gonna like drag it, just bounce it into the skin like that. If not because like I'm talking, this is like, this makeup is like my 10-minute makeup and I'm out of the house. So that is it, you guys see. I'm gonna take that brush, trying to blend that hairline because I want to have like a really smooth. Okay, so now that we've done, let's go into the concealer. You can use any shade of concealer you want to, but you want to keep the makeup as natural or simple. So I'm gonna use this elf cosmetic, let me say elves, oh my god, this Fits Me from concealer in 55. I say elves. It's because I just finished reviewing the elf product, so now everything I talk about is the elf's cosmetic product. So the reason why you put it in here, because you want to, this is like the new contour thing I haven't seen. You want to lift the eyes, especially for somebody like me that have a really tiny eye. You want to lift your eyes. This is optional. You can actually put concealer on your forehead if you want to. Personally, I don't like to highlight my forehead. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a long time, you guys know I'm not really fan of highlighting my forehead because I feel like my forehead is just perfect the way it is and I don't need to go in and make it bigger or anything. I love my forehead the way it is, so let's just keep it that way. I'm going to take my sponge and I'm just going to blend everything smoothly into the skin. And I love how the concealer, it's like almost the same shade of my skin, but it looks very, very beautiful, very, very beautiful. I'm just gonna blend that, drag this one a little bit upward because I really want to give that eyes a little bit of lift because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, so I really want to give a little bit of lift. And yeah, do the same thing here, bring it a little bit upwards and just blend. So now I'm gonna take a sponge, whatever is on the sponge, I'm just gonna dab it on the eyelid, dab, just to make that looks very, very beautiful. If you guys hear the car passing by, please excuse more. So now I'm going to take my Essence setting powder. I'm almost out of this one. I just really want to use it to finish it because I just want to finish all my setting powder before I go ahead and actually buy any setting powder. I don't want to buy stuff that I already have like turned off. Like I do have a lot of setting powder, so I don't feel like buying more setting powder. If for example I finish few of the setting powder, that I can go ahead and buy more. Bridge of my nose. I'm gonna use that same to set the eyes because you don't want the concealer or the foundation until the eyes to move. Set it very, very nice. You just want everything to stay in place. Guess I'm going a little bit of lighter powder, so it looks like I'm having an eyeshadow, but I'm actually not having any eyeshadow on. Yes, so now that is done, let's go in and set. You guys see how beautiful that setting powder look. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution setting powder. This is in P15. You guys know this is my favorite setting powder. I do have other powder, but this is the one that I reach out for the most. Oh, my nose, I feel like sneezing. Excuse me. I'm just gonna use that to set my forehead. Just set that forehead. Use it to wipe off any excess product, even though there's not excess of setting powder on my face, but it just looks so beautiful. My skin looks so flawless, looks so beautiful. Just love it. Set around my nose. Got it well. I'm always shiny. And now I'm going to take this mini brush. I'm going to use this to contour my nose just a little bit. Just a little bit. And just contour. Yes. Yeah, I think that looks much more natural, you know. I don't really like a lot of contour, so a very much simple and natural contour will be, for me, it's perfect. So I'm going to be using, yeah, I know I don't have any other bronzer anymore to use. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is just me, yeah. When I love something, you don't want to put a lot of bronzer, because this is just going to be like an everyday makeup. You want it to be very soft, very beautiful, very feminine. Yes. Take whatever is on the brush. Let's get the forehead. Also a little bit. Let's try to shape that jawline. Let's just put it, and then just, you guys see how beautiful that looks. So with my everyday feminine makeup, I don't really like to, sometimes I don't really like to go in with the reverse contour, because we just want it to be like very simple, very natural. So now I'm going to take a blush. I'm going to take this sleek blush. I'm going to take this one here. You guys know I'm not a blush person, but I really love this blush. It does have a little bit of highlighter. I like to bring my blush a little bit upward like this. Just a little bit, not too much. Yes, take a little bit of this red one, just a little bit. Put it right there, just a little, like that. So you have a little bit of this warmness into your face. Yes, so now that is done, let's do the lip. I'm going to take my Kiko lip liner. As you guys can see, I'm almost out of this, but I still do have two more. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna line my lip. So now I'm going to take this LA Color lip gloss. I'm gonna take this one, the transparent one. I'm just gonna put it on top of my lip. like this. Oh, I love this lip gloss. It's so beautiful. Yeah. It has been a very long time since I used this MAC highlighter, so let's give this a try, okay? Let's play with this one today as well. So I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Ooh, yes, that glow. Just a little. You don't want to put too much on the brow bone. Just gonna do a swiping motion. Take a little bit on the tip of the nose. You don't want to like overdo your highlighters because then it's gonna make your face look like, I don't know, it's not gonna make your face look gold. I like to put it on the tip of my nose and then break it down a little bit and then on the bridge, just from here to here. I don't like to drag it all the way down, just from here to here. And the inner corner of my eyes, because I love when my eyes look popping, pop. And then now it's time to highlight the cheekbone. I'm gonna take this my Kruidvat paintbrush. Ooh, you guys see that? You don't want to put too much because it is a simple feminine makeup, yeah? You don't want to put a lot of products, on your face. You just want it to look simple. Take a little bit of that on the chin because I like to highlight on my chin. That is done. So now let's set the face. You can go ahead and fix your eyelashes if you're using any eyelashes. I'm just going to be using mascara. But first, let's set my face before ever I use my mascara. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. This is their matte finish. So let's give this one a shake and just use this one. So beauties, this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think. I really love it. I love the lip gloss. You can tone down the lip gloss if you want to, maybe a little bit light, a little bit simple gloss without a lip liner, but I just really want something darker on my lip. So yeah, this is it. This is your everyday feminine makeup with your natural hair, with wig, whatever you want to do. It's so easy. And also when it comes to accessories, the simple the better. So I just have two tiny earrings, and which are simple. I have my chain, I have ring, I have my watch and my bracelet, and that's it. Just something simple accessories. You don't need to go overboard with like big chunk earrings when it comes to feminine. If you just you doing your own thing, you can definitely put any kind of earrings that you guys want to, but when it comes to like the feminine, everyday feminine makeup, the simple the better. So this is it. You can wear eyelashes if you want to. I picked up some of these eyelashes from the they still have the price on from the and they were on sale. They had like 70% discounts, but they are really natural and I really love it. But most of the time I like to wear my natural lashes, but if you guys want to wear lashes, you can wear this like very natural eyelashes, especially if you're going for the feminine makeup. But if not, you can go ahead and use those big dramatic eyelashes, whatever that suits you, you know. But yeah, this is my everyday feminine makeup. The simple the better. Skin is looking very flawless. I really love it. So TeamFullest, hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook live page. All the links will be down in the description box. So now I'm ready to go out. I'm going to spray myself some perfumes, smell a little bit nicer and sweeter. So yeah, peace out. Vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien.